All right.
Hello everybody, hope y'all are enjoying today. Been a nice day for us here in the desert. We received these we received these headlamps from one of our
A vendor.
Well, a vendor. She's a Vont vendor, correct?
Yes. Emily.
And these are really nice headlamps. I have to say that before I get going here on them. They have a, go ahead.
Well, and before we forget, there's a 10% coupon, 10% off coupon with the code 10RV Nomads that you can apply when you go to order one of these, and I'll put it in the description below.
There you go. Yeah, because these are. I bought headlamps last summer when we went camping. I spent good money for them, but these are really good price and they're good quality. I like the way that they have the gear there that moves, because this sets flush against your head, and it's got 3 settings of the light. It used 3 AAA batteries. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut it on here. There's one. That's kind of a low beam, but it's pretty bright. As you can see, got my lamp out there. See? I hope you can see some of that.
Here, let's do this. Okay.
There's one. And you get the strobe light there. 1, 2, 3. Then you get the strobe. Now, my understanding is, if I get this to do this, I'm still learning this thing. You gotta hold it.
There. Ooh.
It's got a red light to it.
How cool is that?
Yeah. This is like if you're in your tent, you don't want to wake somebody with a bright white light. You know, or you stepping outside, you might have to go get something. You don't want to, you know, people sleeping out, you don't want to wake everybody.
And these are great for camping and running and
in
fishing.
Your RV.
Yeah, in your RV. Power outages.
There's lots of emergency stuff, and that's a big thing nowadays. And so, and this has this feature too.
And you get 2 in a box for $9.99. And these are waterproof. Waterproof.
I can get it to come on.
What are you doing? The red one?
Yeah, how do you do the SOS? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
It's SOS.
Is that awesome or what?
SOS. Can't beat it. Pretty cool. Then you hit it and come out of it and go back to your regular.
They're very comfortable to wear too.
Oh, you got the red flashing too, so that's pretty cool, huh? That's an emergency beacon there too. Pretty cool. I love them. I've been using them around here at night and stuff when I go out and cut the generator off, that type of thing. It really lights the ground up great. But that's all I can say about this thing. You got a nice strap. This right here part sits really flush right against my big old head. But it's got a big strap for adjusting. I got it adjusted out pretty far from my old head. But if you buy these Vonts, get your discount. Sharon will post all the information. We highly recommend them. I'm so thankful that she sent them to us to use, and we are really using them. They have been very handy, and it's a good item, folks. It's good to have.
And we'll show you. We really like their products because they're made well.
But these are, and the thing about these things, they're waterproof. I'm not sure if this is.
That's waterproof also.
Waterproof. It's got to have O-rings. I know these are waterproof because I've done the test on them. They have O-rings everywhere. O-rings right there. So these are definitely waterproof. This I do know.
But those are fantastic. Those are great if you're sitting out in the evening.
Sweet too. Vont. Says some really neat stuff.
I already have a video about these, and I'll put that in the description below too. IPX5 waterproof. Can withstand splashes and even Mother Nature's worst downpours. You drop it in the creek as you're walking, it'll be okay. These are really great for in the desert because you can see a long ways out there. Plus, it's cooler to walk at night. So, we'll get back to you here soon.
Okie dokie.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
See me in there? See?
Yes, I can see you with your beaming light.
So that's the one setting. That's the first setting.
There, I have my light on you. That's better for the camera.
See how bright that thing is? I mean, you see all that way out there.
Yeah.
If there's something laying there, you should be able to see it as bright as that thing is. Yeah.
So I'm standing here pointing my camera at him.
See the fireplace, how it lights it up?
Oh yeah.
And this,
that's pretty sweet.
that's the low beam, medium, high.
Well, let's see. Let's see walking out through here.
Bring yours away and see how my red looks.
Here, I'm gonna walk out here.
See me?
I see you great. See the glow of the sunset too.
Dark out here. Put these lights
So,
up, see how dark it is. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'll turn mine off too. Woo! All right. Here, I have mine on.
Better get back in there, you.
Here, you can see our rig. How cool is that? These are very cool lights. Very cool. Oh yeah, really good. There's Miss Lily. Oh, wow. Okay, I want to see you put on the red light. If we were in an RV park and we needed emergency care, he would turn on, there we go. He would be standing out front of our rig, or I would be, with that flashing red light, and the emergency crews would know where to come. Because a lot of times, you know, in an RV park, it's hard for the emergency crews to find your RV spot, your RV campsite. So that's pretty awesome.
Especially middle of the night when everybody else is in the bed.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty sweet.
It works.
I'll put the link in the description below with your discount. Y'all go check them out. They're pretty sweet headlamps. Sparks by Vont, V-O-N-T. Very nice.